This is Ludo practice of Purple Angel Universe. Today is Tuesday. So, Tuesday, we're having this practice every 8:30 until 12 midnight. Currently, the players are MD Noshed, Miss Thunder, Jerry, and let me check, Jerry and and Chinito. I think Chinito is the player. So Miss Thunder is in red, MD Noshed is in green, Jerry is in yellow, and Chinito in blue. Now, tied in triple, triple. It's yellow, green, and red. You can do it, Jerry. And MD Noshed is in the last. He needs one to have to lead this game. One more MD and you will be leading. But in the actual tournament, guys, there will be no robot. You will be given only 1 minute to be robot, but you must stay in the room. Okay, I hope that is clear. Go, Jerry, go. Oh, wow, that is a fly. Now, go, Jerry. You can do it, Jerry. You need a 5. Ooh. You can click all your soldiers. I said soldiers. Good luck, everyone. And this is Ludo practice every night from 8:30 to 12 here at Purple Angel Universe, the House of Learning.